G'day guys, Melbourne Scrapper here. Here's a bit of a follow-up video on the brass bed. So basically I've got to clean it up as Terminal 99. Check out his channel, he did. You can see there's some steel here, and you can tell that this is brass because of the yellow inside, and it's quite heavy and it's not magnetic. So I'm going to cut those ends off and put them in the dirty brass bucket, and once they're finished they'll be all nice and clean, and I'll get about high $3s or $4 a kilo instead of like high ones or $2 a kilo, about $1 a pound for dirty. So I'm going to do that. Safety, got me glove, glasses, protect any flying debris and like dust. You can see all the brass dust here, and I'm going to show you how I chop them with an angle grinder. Let's put that there, no worries, glove on, and this is going to be pretty noisy, so you might want to cover your ears, gentlemen and ladies. Guys, give it a go, you get the idea.